Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use my hydrojelly masks. So I use the Esthemax brand. I have the antioxidant goji, which is great for making the skin nice and plump, healthy. I like to work against aging because I'm approaching 30 and I'm not quite ready for that, and I don't want it to start showing in my skin yet. I know I'm young, I'm only 26, going into 27 this year, but like still I just want to, you know, be a little proactive about it. And then we also have the beta carotene floral. So this one is great for like skin, or sorry, for like the environmental damage that your skin may face. So especially here in Phoenix, Arizona, we get a lot of sun. So this is going to help to protect your skin from environmental damage. So these are the two that I have. I want to get some more, but these are the two that I have for now. It says that these can get you like 13 scoops, I believe, but I swear I've done over 13 of these. I even had my students use them and I got a lot. So I feel like it could take you even farther than that. But yeah, so today we're going to be doing the hydrojelly mask, and I'm just going to talk about it a little bit more and tell you guys how to actually use it, how to apply it, how I like to apply it, tips for peeling, and all of that, because I've done sped up videos on TikTok, but I think now we can do a sit down video. Before we go into the video, I just want to make sure that you guys know that I have TikTok and Instagram, so just make sure that you go follow me on there as well. It's at Lisa Nicole Gomez, LisaNicolegomez, right here as well. So just make sure that you follow me on there to stay up to date on all of the content I will be posting. Let's go ahead and get started with the video now. Okay, so to begin your hydrojelly mask, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your face is freshly cleansed. So you want to start off on it with a clean face. I like to use Esthemax Hydrojelly masks. On the Esthemax website, they do have a list of all of their masks, and then they have the benefits of using each one. So this one I like because it's great for like rejuvenating your face. It's great for making your skin look younger, appear more glowy, give it a little bit more plumpness. I'm going to go ahead and use this mask here. The masks come in a powder form, and then you just pour them into your bowl, add water, and then they thicken up so that it's thick enough to not get all drippy and fall off the face. So it hardens up on your face, and then whenever you peel it off, it all comes off in one go. It's kind of has the like feeling of like, I guess, rubber, but you know, not as firm, I guess. To order from Esthemax, you do have to have a license, so an esthetician license, cosmetology license. You do have to be licensed, so a consumer cannot just go on the website and order a powder or order some masks. You do have to have a license of some sort. I have seen some hydrojelly masks on Amazon. I don't know the brand, I've never used them. I use Esthemax, and that's what I would recommend. So if you know someone that has a license, see if they can hook you up. So like I said, you want to start off with a clean face. I already put water in my bowl, so I have my bowl right here. I already put water in it. All you're gonna need is like 1 scoop of water. So how you're gonna measure it is just with this right here, a little measuring cup, and you just fill it up and put water inside your bowl. The recommendations say to use a scoop and a half of the powder to 1 scoop of water. So I don't do a scoop and a half really. I go ahead and just put like a heaping scoop of the powder inside my bowl. And you're just gonna go ahead and just start mixing it up a little bit. Once it's all stirred up, I will show you the consistency you're gonna get, but you can kind of already see it happening. Alright, so it does say to apply it very quickly, not sloppily, but just with efficiency. The reason you want to apply it quickly is just because it is going to start hardening where you place it. So the longer you take to place it where you want it to go, the longer, or the quicker, so the longer it takes for you to place it where you want it, the less, you know, flexibility you're gonna have with where it can go, you know? consistency I like, and then like I said, it's gonna start hardening up, so I'm just kind of mixing it until I'm ready. I like to just start on my cheek and then I go from there. So I'm just gonna take it here. I'm gonna get my hair out of my face as much as I can. It's not really gonna stick to your hair. Like, it is gonna stick to your hair if you get it on there, but it comes off easily. But still, I don't like to risk it because it doesn't feel good. So I'm just gonna apply it. Again, work kind of quick. You want to make sure that your layers are thick enough, because if it's too thin, it's not going to come off in one go. You're going to actually be fighting the peel, and you're going to have some residue. So you want to make sure that your layers are pretty thick. So like, if you can see through it, it's not really showing the pigment of the mask. So like right here, if I don't thicken that up a little bit more, it's gonna fight me whenever it's time to take it off. You can definitely put it over your lips and over your eyes. I normally do, but for the purpose of this video, I want to be able to still talk and, you know, see what I'm doing. So I'm not gonna actually cover anything today. Okay, but it does feel really refreshing on your eyes, and it does feel hydrating on the lips. It doesn't taste bad either. It is okay if you put it on the eyebrows. Again, it's not going to stick to the hair. So it's okay. If you choose to not cover your eyes with it, you could always go in with just an eye mask, you know, just like the cloth ones, just to make sure that your eyes still get some love. You could definitely go down to the neck if you have enough product, if you want to. Don't neglect the neck. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit. You guys want this to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to make sure that it's giving your skin all the benefits that it has to offer, but then you also want it to harden enough to peel off. If you try to peel it too early, it's still wet, especially with such thick layers like this. So you want to make sure that you leave it for the proper amount of time. I will be back when it's done and it's ready to peel. All right, so we are back, and sometimes you'll notice if you move your face around, areas kind of pop off once it solidifies. So like right in here, it's kind of lifting off on its own. So we're gonna go ahead and do the peel off now. So to start this process off, I like to just take my finger wherever it's already lifting, and then I'll kind of just slide it around the outsides, just to make sure that all the edges are going to come off smoothly, and they're not gonna stick and break the whole peel, okay? So I've kind of lifted it off, and then because it's already solidified, it's solid, so it kind of just starts to lift off on its own. It looks kind of crazy, I know. So you can choose to peel upward or you can peel downward. I typically peel downward. So we're gonna go ahead and just peel this part off. And so it kind of just all comes off in one go. And that's just because of the application that you did for your, how you applied it. So this is it. It's kind of creepy, actually. I'm looking at it in the mirror because I have my mirror up. It is kind of creepy, but your face just feels so much nicer after this. Wow, I've not actually done like a sit down video where I show you guys this, so I don't think you guys have ever actually seen it hardened up like this. I just do like TikToks of this, and so it's like super quick. You shouldn't have a lot of residue. I have like a little bit right here, and again, that's just from thin layers. So this was where I was kind of trying to force it down my neck. So this is it after your Hydrojelly mask, and it feels nice and hydrated. So you can go ahead and you could layer it with a moisturizer at this point. I need to put some chapstick on because I had just washed my face and I didn't put this over my lips like I normally do. It does kind of feel like a jelly. Let's see. Ew, I've never done that. Okay, ASMR people, like, you need to get on this if you haven't already because that's crazy. But that's it for today's video. I just wanted to go through my Hydrojelly masks with you guys. Again, you do have to be licensed to get them from Esthemax, but I have seen them on like Amazon, so look at reviews, see what sounds promising, and then go from there. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe so that you can see more videos, and then comment down below what you would like to see. Comment down below if you would want to try the Hydrojelly mask. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. You guys will see a lot more content on my TikTok. So my TikTok is just, and my Instagram are Lisa Nicole Gomez, LISANICOLE, everything is the same. Thank you guys again for watching. Have a beautiful day and God bless.